Welcome to the jungle, where lives a very clever and mischievous monkey named Monki Mitwa. He loves to play tricks and make all the animals laugh. One day, Monkey saw a tall mango tree, full of ripe, juicy mangoes. He wanted to share it with his friends.
I will pick some mangoes, but the tree is so tall, I need a ladder.
Nearby, Monkey saw a camel with a long ladder strapped to its back.
Perfect! That ladder will help me reach the mangoes.
Monkey climbed on the camel's back and grabbed the ladder, but just as he started climbing, the camel suddenly coughed loudly.
Ahoo! Ahoo!
Monkey wobbled up and down, trying not to laugh. Hearing the camel cough, all the animals came to see what was happening. They couldn't stop laughing at Monkey's funny dance while holding the ladder. Suddenly, Monkey's tail got tangled in the ladder. He fell down, but not before doing the silliest dance ever. The whole jungle laughed so hard.
This prank was mine, but the laughter belongs to everyone.
Monki Mitwa swings so high, touching the clouds like he can fly. Banana peel, he slips with style, lands on his feet and grins a mile. Oh, monkey!
And that's why Monki Mitwa is the funniest monkey in the jungle.